Well, we're up by the train station here at Disneyland, and obviously, well, I say obviously, if you've been to Disneyland lately, you know the train is not running. They got Star Wars Land and all that going on. Rivers of America getting redone, and so anyways, that affects the train, and so it is not running. They do have where you can go check out the engine and the train and that over near New Orleans Square. But anyways, this is the train station, but no train. And we'll just kind of look around. If you look, I don't know if you can see in there, I think you can. There's a replica of the Lily Bell train. I believe that's a replica. Walt Disney had one of those at his house. It could be the original, but I'm not sure. I know they have the Walt Disney Museum near San Francisco, so that might be up there, I'm not sure. Just kind of looking in these little rooms here. Since this is closed, this is the best we could do.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good morning and welcome to Disneyland, the place where dreams come true. We're delighted to have you as our guests and invite you to let the memories begin. This morning, the Magic Kingdom will open at 10 o'clock. Right now, the shops along Main Street, USA.
If you see this Disney Anna gifts, if you like collectibles, and you've got some expensive things in there as well, but that's one of my favorite stores right there, and it's one of the first ones that you see right next to Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln, and that's one of my favorite stores at Disneyland. See Pluto down there. Mickey's way over there. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. This is kind of a somewhat of a bird's eye view, anyways, or a view from the railroad park. A view from the train station. How about that? Over there is the Emporium. Got the flagpole down the middle. Now, when Disneyland was first opened, they had a bandstand that they ended up moving. They were going to put that in the way. Well, it ended up, I guess Walt didn't like it because when you look up Main Street, it blocked the castle, but there was a, might have even been before it opened. They had a bandstand, they ended up moving it because it blocked the castle. Off in the distance, you can see Matterhorn Mountain. That's a fun ride. What's cool about that is the fact that that's only at Disneyland. They don't have that at Disney World. And the other interesting thing, if you do not know, is there is a basketball court in there for cast members, and it is up inside the Matterhorn. If you're interested in that, do some research on the internet and type in basketball court in Matterhorn, and you should be able to find some information on that. It's rather interesting. One of the, this is like the stop for the omnibus. We happen to know one of the omnibus drivers. His name is Kevin. And so far we've been looking for him, but we haven't been able to find him. We hope to find him. We usually talk to him and meet up with him a couple times. He's a real nice guy. We did find out that he does still work here. So I'm probably going to go down because it's getting closer to the time where we'll be able to get in. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time, guys.